So good morning. We are at, I can't even remember the name of the state park. We're north of Oceanside, south of LA. So we're making breakfast and having our morning coffee and enjoying the waves of the ocean lapping on the sandy shore. But yeah, we're gonna make some breakfast and then hit the road up to do some thrifting in LA and then up to Victorville for some auto parts tomorrow. We're looking forward to it. Holy, that kite was, he was like going down to the...
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
Yeah?
Yeah, I think it might have been intentional though.
I'm gonna sneak by you. Oh, when I tell you, I'm gonna need you to put some mayo on those 2 plates there.
Breakfast on the beach. You definitely don't get any better than this. This is why living in a tiny little metal box on the road is the cat's ass. Sitting back to chow down and looking out on the ocean. Yeah, this is a pretty good life.
A few moments later.
What?
Just grabbed him.
Well, I'm like, there's opportunities there.
Oh, I know.
Might as well.
It's just funny. I didn't know what you were doing, and then all of a sudden you came back with a bird in your hand.
Well, he was backing into the corner underneath the bottle. I'm like, well, he's not getting away from in there, that's for sure. So I just put my hand over him, and he didn't fight it at all. They're kind of all getting kind of brave now.
Yeah.
Come. You're okay. You're okay. No.
Hop.
I don't know.
So freaking funny.
Oh, the white one's over there.
Feeling violated.
What just happened? Yeah, you're just coming up for more now. Here, come. You're okay. You're okay, bird. You're okay, bird. No.
If you had more food to distract him, you probably could do it.
No, I think he knows. He kind of has always got his back door open. You're okay. Hey, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Here. Yeah, no, those ones know better.
Yeah.
The white one's young.
That, and it's been tagged, so it's probably used to being handled a bit.
I should have just kept you, huh?
Where is he? Oh, there. Does look a little sheepish.
I do think he's young though, because the other two totally overpower what they get fed.
Yeah.
Come. You're okay. Okay. No. Try doing the pick them up like a duck thing, where you grab their belly and scoop them.
All right.
So in the never-ending saga of problems on a trip, we now have a hole in our flex pipe in our exhaust, just so you can hear how loud this is. Sounds like we're driving a hot rod. Started, I think, a couple days ago, and then yesterday, in the course of like 2 hours, it went from all right to full bore. We're now at a muffler shop getting a new piece of flex pipe welded on. San Francisco, or Woodside, I think it's called. We are going to have the problem solved here shortly. The rest of our trip was a bit of a whirlwind. Over the next few days, we headed back to Mexico for our final appointments, and then started wandering north, through Arizona and San Francisco to visit a friend, and then Sacramento to visit family. It was there that I finally figured out our van's timing issue by replacing the aftermarket knock sensor with an OEM one that we got from an auto wrecker. Our last stop before heading back to Canada was in Seattle to see our friend Sammy, the Previa legend. We planned to pick up our parts van that we had left a year before after breaking down on his doorstep, but life had other plans, and those plans included buying another Previa and bringing it home with us. Maybe you'll get to look forward to another build, who knows?